Hey guys, Technically Jeff here, and today I have another giveaway for you guys. Most of you know I have been running an Ohmmu lithium iron phosphate 12-volt battery in my Kia EV6 now for several months, and it's been working great. The Ohmmu batteries have a lot of benefits over the factory lead acid batteries that come in these vehicles. I'll post a link in the description to the original review for you guys to check out if you want some more information there. But recently I switched over to their new battery that has Bluetooth monitoring built in, and that left me with my original battery right here just sitting around, and I don't want to scrap it or anything, so I figured I would give it away to one of you guys because it has a lot of life left. These batteries last many years, and I only, like I said, used it for a few months. So in order to enter to win the contest, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and go to technicallyjeff.com/giveaways. There is a small form there. Just put your name and email address in so I can get in touch with the winner. I'm going to be doing a live stream in a couple of weeks on YouTube announcing the winner. And there's also some ways to get additional entries at the bottom of the form too by visiting my Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube channel, that sort of thing. You don't have to follow me there unless you want to, but those are just some additional ways to gain entries and ways that I can help spread the word about some additional social media platforms I'm on. So anyway, good luck to everybody. Let me know if you have any questions on the giveaway. I'll be happy to answer them for you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I recently hit 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is incredible, and I can't thank you guys enough. I really appreciate all the support and all the encouragement that you guys provide me, and I'm really excited for the future of Technically Jeff. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon.